Gym instructors will use this test to test the length of someone's hamstring. Okay. However, using it purely as a test of hamstring length is not a very accurate measurement. Okay. Because remember we were saying the nerve comes all the way from the brain down your central nervous system, and then it pops out just in your lower back and around your sacrum, and then it comes down the back of your leg all the way down to your toe. So, if as you lift the leg, there's a problem with the nerve, then they're going to get that feeling of tightness, and the leg doesn't want to go any further. Okay. The way that you hold the leg, you need to hold above the knee so the knee doesn't bend. You need to hold underneath the ankle, so it's the opposite way round to the one we've just done. Okay? So, first thing I would do is get them just to raise their leg up, just see what kind of range they've got already. So if you just want to keep your leg straight and just raise one leg up for me. Lovely, and then back down. Cool. So I know that you can roughly get to about 60 or 70 degrees. A normal hamstring test, you're expecting between 70 and 90. That's normal range. Okay. So I go here, okay, all I want you to do is I'm going to perform a stretch on you, and I want you to let me know as soon as you feel any tension down the back of your leg or on your back or anywhere you feel it, okay? Right, so just relax, 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 that's it, let your leg go heavy. Okay, where do you feel that? So it's in your hamstring, that's cool. Okay, I'm going to change this stretch now. Let me know if the sensation that you're feeling now changes at all. So if it gets worse or it gets easier or it moves. Okay? More intense. Okay, cool. So, that's a positive test because I brought his leg up, which would test his hamstring. Okay? But then as I moved his leg across, the stretch intensified. Okay? If that was his hamstring, the stretch wouldn't have got any worse because I'm not increasing the stretch on the hamstring. What I am increasing the stretch on is the nerve. Okay? So because that test was positive, then he's got tension in that sciatic nerve. So that could, along with the blocked pelvis, that can lead to other problems.
To move it into the medial.
Yeah. So basically, all you do, you keep the leg straight. Okay, and then you imagine that wherever that leg is then, it's in a glass corridor, okay, and it can't get out of it, there's two walls either side, and it has to move across that midline, and if it goes up or it comes down, then it'll give you a false result, okay, it needs to go keep in that plane, yeah, so you take them to the point where they feel it, you ask them where they feel it, because if it's anywhere else apart from the hamstring, then we know it's nerve anyway, so if they feel it in their calf, or in their toes, or in their back, then it can't be their hamstring, because your hamstring goes from there to there. Okay, and then as we move across, if it changes, then that's positive too.